Welcome to iTech Study Park. This is SBK. Last video, I'm sharing my screen. 1 minute. Last video we had how to create JDBC application, step to create JDBC application theoretically. Now in this video, I will show you how to. In this video, I will show you batches and the notes section. Inside the notes section, this is the last class. Not one more time. I'm just opening. How many? 6 numbers of steps are there to create JDBC application or type done driver. Now, today I am showing how to create JDBC application, how to create JDBC application in the MS Paint using type 1 driver. Why? Because type 1 driver is not supporting in my system. So, information sake, I am showing one simple example for you guys. Okay, insert a query. Okay, first example, 2 or 3 example I will write here, so we will get clarity about this how to prepare JDBC application. Okay, so go new, save. First topic is prepare first JDBC application. Prepare first JDBC application. Now, so yesterday we have write down 1 minute. Copy these steps, I think so. Session 8. Okay. Prepare JDBC first application. First app. That's the thing. So I want these steps. So one by one, I will note it down and write it. Okay. Yes. Let's do it. These 6 numbers of the steps I will write down so we clarity. So I want to write the program. But my program, what is operation done? So the like question may ask this type of question type of you get this type of question from your challenge. So the following JDBC program which I'm writing, which I will write creates a table in Oracle database. Okay, database by using type 1 driver. Okay. This is our heading. You can say also question. Yeah. Now, good. So I want to write here program. Like class, I want to class like test. For the testing purpose, class test. Okay. That's it. Class test. Okay. Class test. In if you learn for Java, public, static, void, I write whole program. Okay. String, args, argument method, berarg method. This is the berarg methods. Now inside the write all the codes here. If you are want to, because it's through exception like class not found exception, it's throw. An XL exception also is throw. Okay, these many exception is throw. If you are interested to with the try and catch to handle it, but my intention to use throws keyword. This throws keyword throw the exception to the caller. What is the caller itself? Not required here. That's why it's not recommended to use. This is not good approach to use exception, throws exception. Now, step first is, what is the first step is, load the driver, load driver class. Okay, load driver class. What is the syntax? Class dot for name. Class dot for name method is there. So write down the class sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc odbc driver, jdbc odbc driver. Okay, so now this is the package name. Okay, got it. This is the class. Class is loaded. Now I want to for the some my next step is what is the next? Open the connection. Open the connection. Yeah, establish the connection. I want to say open a connection. So which statement you are using? Using connection. Connection con equals to driver manager the dot get connection. This is the method. That's simple. How to write code using type 1 driver. This is the way. Okay. So now JDBC, this is the ODBC URL. This is the URL. Here you can pass. In last sessions I have discussed where is the URL, where is the password provided. Okay. So my URL service name is odbc dot colon dot jdbc colon odbc colon. My service name Oracle DSN. Okay, DSN. Close comma. Here you can provide password or username. Here is password. Okay. Now this is the URL. Okay. This is the username. My system name is use systems. My password is system also. Both are same. So open a connection. Next step says this is the step 2. Oh, sorry, write down. Step 2. Step 2. Okay, open a connection. Step 3 is what is the create statement. Step 3 is create statement. Object. Create statement object. So now, how to create a statement object? This is not right way to develop JDBC application. I will standard industry-based development code. I will show you in future. Okay. Don't worry. This is for the knowledge purpose. I am not showing the example also. This is the way to create table. When I am using type 4 driver, then I will show you all these things. Okay. So try to collect this information. This is only for the knowledge sets. Okay. Statement. If you good in this, then type 4 driver is nothing. Statement. I because type only con dot create statement. That's it. All this point I have already write down what is the statement and create a statement. This is the method. This is the method. This is the method. This is the static class. This is also the sorry. This is the class. This is the static method which is present in the driver class manager, and driver class manager call this static method. Okay, and inside this method one more method is called connect method is there. Connect method return the object to the get connection method, and get connection return to the object connection object to the driver manager, and driver manager to store the connection object inside the cone. So create the statement by using this is the also statement is the also interface. Now, fourth steps is our execute query. Fourth step is execute query. Okay, execute query. So how statement dot execute update. Why I am using update? Because this is the non-select query. Create table suppose student, okay, like one on SID in the number, passing the some value like 2. Okay, its name varchar. This is a dynamically creation table. Okay, SADTR, that's it. This is the enough property. SADTR for this is the also varchar in the sense string data. Varchar 2, not varchar. It's like old tables supported this varchar 2. Nowadays varchar 2 is going on. 20. That's it. This is the information about the table creation. So now step 6 is what is the 6 steps? If you revise this note, then you will get it all the time. Sixth step is close the connection. Close connection. Statement dot close. First order is the important. First descending order. First statement object close, then connection. You not first close connection, then statement. Order is the important. Okay. This is the total program. Okay. This is the total program. To execute this program, so inside the database, one table is created automatically. What is the table name? Student. If you execute this program in your system by using type 1 driver, then automatically. Okay. Okay, I'm writing some packages, which existed. Okay. So now here, I think it's want to some draw niche. Drop down. Okay, no issue. Yeah, sufficient. So some packages are there. So get it collected. Which package, which classes existed, or which interfaces? Import java.sql.connection. Connection is the existed inside the SQL bucket. Import java.sql.driver manager. Okay. I said to you previously, two packages are in only existed. Import java.sql and java.x. That's it. Import. So revise one more time last classes. Then this class is useful for you. Statement. That's it. Okay. No. This is the total program 2. This is the program 2. What is that? There is a create table. This is the create table. Okay. Main important thing I am highlighted. This is the create table, and this is the interface. This is the also interface. This is the This is the also interface. This is the static methods. Okay. If you are not throwing, one more thing I want to if you are not throw the exception by the using bypass throw mechanism, bypass, this is the mechanism called bypass. You can bypass the throws. Like if I'm not if I'm not handling this situation in my way, then I can throw the some other person to handle the situation, and some other person is also unable to handle the situation, then some other person also throw the problem to other person. This is the called throws exception, bypass exception. Okay, if you are not using this, then connection close method is not called here. You unable to call here. You cannot call here. Why? Because connection close method is also throw the one exception. Okay, if you are using try and catch, then you should use inside the catch block one more try and close, try and catch. Then you can handle the close exception, close method exception. Okay. Okay. If you want to write some point, if you like, I don't want to write create a DNS. This is the information about the how to create table. So this same way I creating table inside the using type of tag and compile, and then also you know that okay. Sim path, the set the path into the class path and path variable, class path variable, then you can use this simple class name and then okay. So, uh, if we are installing, so next our point is some I want to highlight it some point. What is the point? So now point is what is SQL plus? What is SQL plus? SQL plus. What is SQL plus? Okay. What is SQL plus? Now my question is what is SQL plus? Anyone here to give an answer about this question? If you are unable, then post the BD. If you are unable, then I will take. Okay. SQL plus is a client software. Is that what is that? Client software to connect with database. To connected with Oracle database. Only specific to Oracle database. That is SQL plus. That's it. Now second point is it recommended to install separately SQL plus? It's any frozen are there to install SQL plus separately? No, it is automatically. It is automatically when okay. Tomorrow session I will install. Today's session I think is too lengthy. Will become too lengthy. Don't worry. Automatically install along with Oracle database. Oracle database. That's it. These are two points I want to tell you. Okay. What is the SQL Plus? SQL Plus is the client software those connected with that is connected with the Oracle database. Okay, and it is the automatically installed along with the Oracle database, not required to download and install separately. Okay, if you work with the SQL developer, then SQL developer is nothing but I am working with the also SQL Plus and SQL developer. And in the last, in the mid of the session, I will tell you which software I am going to using for this particular course. Okay. So now this I want to tell you right now. Then we will go further. Okay, which software I am going to using. Tomorrow session I will also how to download all these things, how to create and all these things. So now first I am using JDK. Which version JDK I am using? JDK. Yeah. JDK Java Development Kit. I will use 11. Which version I am using 11 version. Java 11. Why? Because nowadays Java 11 is the stable version. And Oracle. Which database we will use? Oracle. Oracle and MySQL. Both MySQL database we will use. Okay. 10G. Oracle 10G, the MySQL, the 11 point, I think some version are there. When we install, then I will let you know. Okay. I will tell you when I will install all these things. So now, next, ID. I am not showing any example by using Edit Plus. Okay. Nowadays, industry is totally avoid this type of thing. Old projects also not. If you are learner, you can, okay. I'm showing one or two example by using Edit Plus. No issue. Okay. Simple example and then Eclipse. Eclipse IDs, NetBeans. I'm also one or two example using NetBeans. And one more ID is there. What is that ID is? What is that ID are? Oh, forgotten that. What is that ID name is? Eclipse NetBeans. This ID is totally latest version 2021. Okay. I will use Eclipse ID or NetBeans ID 2021. And next, very important thing, using SQL developer. SQL developer. I will use SQL developer. Okay. We have to these things in your system. Then we can develop any type of JDBC application, like up to the JDBC application. Okay. So NetBeans IntelliJ ID. Oh, okay. I will show you also one or two example by IntelliJ. IntelliJ ID. Okay. ID nothing but integrated development environment. It gives to you all these things automatically, not required to type say, manually or all these things. So now come in our syllabus. Okay. I think you got the clarity about the SQL developer and all these things. Okay. So now I want to tell you some queries related thing. What is now my what is what are the different what are the different what are the different types of SQL queries? Queries. Okay. Yes. Some SQL developer, like database developer, differentiated some queries. What is that queries? So now number first is DDL, data definition language. DDL. Inside the some query, data definition language, DDL query. Inside that DDL query, which query are existed? Some non-select query, create, alter, just outed, got it. Alter, trunk. Truncat. Truncat is the drop table. These things are existed inside the DDL query. So now DML. DML means, I think the DML means data markup languages. Okay. So inside the insert, okay, update and delete are query exists. Number 3 is inside the one only one query is existed, DRL. Okay, select. And the fourth query is TCLC. TCLC. Go and search these many names on the internet. Okay. Rollback. Rollback to rollback, and one more query is there. Save point. This is totally related to the database, not for Java developer, but in like sub knowledge purpose, I am saying DCL. DCL. What is that? DCL type language. Grunt and Rimbo. And DCL is highly recommended not for the Java development. Cannot be executed from Java program. This is the restriction about these queries. These 5 types of queries are there in this. So now, I want to write one more program. To type one driver by using type one driver. What is the in this program we will learn how to insert the query inside the database. So not required to write this point again, same point and copy paste. Now in this create table, the following JDBC program. I want to increase the font size. So this program is write a program to insert. Write a program to insert record inside database, inside Oracle database using type one driver. That's so all these points are same. Connection is the same. First steps, you should load the driver into the JVM. Then next steps is second step, we open the connection and establish the connection into the Java application and database. And third steps to required to execute the query and create the statement. Why? Because when you establish the connection, then you're able to create. What is that? You're able to create execute, update, execute query methods. Okay. So now in this you can create insert same statement execute. Why? Because this is the non-select query, updating inserting the data, non-select. So non-select query, you can develop by using non-select query, you can develop by using execute update method. So insert, this is the query. Clearly get it into where? Here is the insert is the keyword. Insert is the keyword. Into is the also keyword. Okay, student. This is the table. Student and value. And which value we passing first? Like 1, 2. Number is ID number, student is ID number 1. Then if you are passing the value inside the database by using nothing but by using query method, so you should pass the single inside the single quotes. Pass the value inside the single. Why? I want to insert the data. I trick. And next one is the address. Address nothing but something like Delhi. Okay, that's it. Simple. It's done. Our work is completed. Then simple, close the connection, whatever. And simple, this is inserted into the database. But one more thing here is reminding. What is the thing? This execute method, how you can know? how you know that the data is inserted or not. So for this facility, this method return one integer. Return what is that? Integer. So you can store int. Oh. So execute update method return execute update method return. What is the return? Int. Suppose return type is int. I told you when I discussing these three method, what is the difference? Int equals to this. Okay, simple. So for checking purpose, you can use if and else, whatever you want, or otherwise, other one direct print it. System.out.println, simple, print the value of I and plus. Row is, row is the data is inserted. Row is, sorry, data is inserted. Record is inserted. Record inserted. Inserted. Just and simple. Another thing is the same. These only two things are changed here. If you want to insert data inside the any table, inside the table, if you want to, this is the by using type 1 driver. This is the type 1 driver. This is the type 1 driver. Sorry, not here. Yeah. Sorry. This is the type 1 driver. The driver class. Type 1 driver. That's it. And this is the URL. Okay. I write down some points. This is the nothing but username, and here is this is nothing but a password. I will all this point I will show you when I introduce type 4 driver. Okay, this is all the thing. This is the driver class name. Okay, and also compile and run the program if you want to write this pointed, not required. And suppose if you want to update if you want to update the result, update the result inside the database. I don't want to instead of 1 2, I want or not itric, I want ITSP. Okay, so what should we do? So now here one line, write only one line, that's it. And remaining is same. What is that line? Only these things I will tell you and then go further. Okay. So now same method. Why? Because I am using non-select query. I equals to st statement dot execute executed update, not executed. Yeah, execute. Okay. Execute update method here. You can pass here. You can pass simple. What is that method? Using update keyword. Update. Yeah. Update. Where? Which table you want to update? Student. Update student. Okay. Which you want to set? Okay. Set name. Yes, name. What is the name you want to set? Like equals to in single code. If you, this is the character value, this is the char, so you want to ITSP. Okay, where inform to the database where which data, which column, which row you want to update it. So SID, this is the column name, pass the one to, that's it. Data will update it and result to the integer, one record or two record is updated. That's it. This is the total. The update is the keyword student design. Not required to write and separately code and all this. This is simple. So this is the total about type 1 drivers. Last session and this session combined both the and how to create the JDBC application. I think you have some clarity. You got some clarity. I think so. You got it. You will get it. You get some clarity about these topics. How to create JDBC application. Now next is type 2 driver. This is us. Also, I'm telling only theoretical, not practically, because this is not possible. This is old days. In the JDBC, the version in the industry is there, right? First is drivers. Why? Because this is the basic and fundamental. Okay, that's it. Type 2 driver. In the past mode, we will learn. Okay, type 2 driver. This is nothing but a native API. Partially Java driver. Partially Java driver. That's it. Now, point is a type 2 driver. Type 2 driver is the partial type 2 driver partial Java driver, not pure Java driver, it's partial Java driver. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? It means, what is that meaning? It means the driver is not 100% implemented by using Java. Implemented in Java. This is the meaning of partially. Now, next is native API. Native API contains a set of C. Native API contains set of C language functions. Because this is not developed purely. Interact with the database. Interact with the database. That's it. Type 2 driver is the category driver. Category driver specific to na. This is the does not use ODBC driver. Does not use ODBC driver. So there is no need. There is no need of creating a DSN name file while working with type 2 driver. That's it. Type 2 driver is, and also somewhere I said to type 2 driver is interact with the directory database, not required to mediators. Okay. A type a type 2 driver directly. For notes point of view, I'm telling all these things. Okay, notes point of view. That's why I'm writing all these points so you will get clarity. Revision purpose. You will revise these topics. Not required to pause the video, full entire video and courses, all these things again. So that's why I'm providing notes so you can easily read it. Once watch the video and secondly read it. So collect all this information again. So type 2 driver directly connect connects Java with the database. That's it. So this is the important point, like suppose note kind of note. Each each database vendor may not provide a native API, may not provide native API to interact with, may not provide the native API. In fact, native means implementation provided by Java. Declaration provided by Java, implementation provided by some other programming languages. This is named the native. Okay. Interact with interact with the interact with the database. Yes. Suppose Oracle has provide DB2 has suppose Oracle provide and DB2 also provided a native API called CLI. Okay. CLI means call level interface. But MySQL has not provided native API. Provide native API. But at this point, each data vendor provide the native API. Okay. Suppose example has Oracle has provided DB2. Okay, and DB2 Oracle vendor provides some other, and DB2 vendor also provide one API called this, and MySQL is not providing. I want to write some props and cons. Props. Props is nothing but advantage. Advantage. Props. What is the advantage while using type 1? Type 1. Type 2 driver are faster than faster than who? Type 1 drivers. Okay. Because why? Because it interact with it directly, not using mediators. Because type 2 driver does not use ODBC. This is the A1 advantage. Why using it? And some props and cons is also there. Props and cons means disadvantage. So now Disadvantage means type 2 driver are platform dependent. Why? Because it's using some C languages functions. Okay, type 2 drivers are platform form dependent. Write it. Okay. Dependent driver. Dependent driver. Dependent driver because they use native API. Native API and native API is nothing but native API is a C language API. Nothing but a C language API. C language API. Now, other point is type 2 driver. So this is the one example is sufficient. These are all the examples. So now one question is there. One question: how to find service name like DSN, like Oracle. Giving some example. May interview fees, and you can go and search YouTube. May get it, may not get it. Okay, so that's why I'm telling. Okay. So like one is the JDBC colon Oracle colon OCI. OCI is the driver also OCI at the rate XC. XC. Also now I will use which I will use. Tell you JDBC colon Oracle colon 3 colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 colon ORC. Here is. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this and what is the meaning of this? Okay, this is the host, this is the port number. Here is the no fusion are there. This is the type 2 driver kind of thing. That's why. So this is the service name. This is the service name. Here is also, this is the service name. If you are wrong provided the service name inside the application, then you will get error. What is that? You will get error. This is the type 2 drivers. Okay, URL. This is the type 2 driver URL. This is nothing but what is that? This is the URL. URL. Okay. This is URL. This is the URLs. Okay. So my question is how to find service name inside a system or inside a system. How to find service for particular database. I will tell you only Oracle database service. So now there are 3 ways. There are 3 ways to find Oracle database service name. 3 ways. We can find out by using 3 ways. I will show you this point when I will discuss, when I will have to install the Oracle database, then I will show you all this point. In my system, no software is existed right now. That's why I'm not showing at this point practical here. Tomorrow onwards, next session, I will install Eclipse ID, how to download Oracle database, all these points I will show you. Then these points I also show you. The three ways, what is the three? First way is open. What is that? Open SQL plus. SQL plus and type the command. Type the command. What is the command? What is the command? But this is not command yet. This is the prompt you will get it. Select star. Select star from global. Global underscore name. That's it. Hit enter, then you will get it. Second way is open control panel. First open control panel. And then go into the administrative tab. Administrative. Okay. Administrative tools. Okay. Next. Click enter. Next go services. Services. 1 second shortcut we also there finding services. Okay. In the command in the hit into the hit window R and simple hit the services, then we will find the services. Find Oracle services. Then you will get Oracle services XC. Yeah, ORCM. These many things ORCM. You will get it. Okay, third way is very simple. This is also simple way. Okay, open location of the database where you store. C colon mainly install the database where C colon Oracle colon. And that's some this point I'll think I have some forgot at some point. At this point, like where you install the database, this point is related to that. So this point is also show you. I will show you in the practically. Not is possible to write down because in my system database is not installed. Okay. So here I will show you. Here enter services. Simple services. Hit enter. If your command is good, if your command is right, then services will open. Definitely services will open. Not required to go control panel and investigate it. This is the fun. What happened? Huh? Why not opening a services? I'm waiting for opening a service and it's not opening. So it's I think my command they are not good. One more time. Service. Services is good, yeah. Services. Why it's not opening? I'm waiting and until it's not opening. That's okay, no issue. So now here some methods, and I want to give some information about the execute and execute update method and execute method. So here I want to give some information about that. What is that information? Selecting the data from the table. when you're selecting the data for the printing purpose and for the getting purpose, then that's why from table. Then what should we do? What we do when selecting the data inside the table, then first point is to read, to read the data from table, we need to call. What is that? We need to call execute query method. What is that method? Execute query method. We need to call which method? Execute query method of statement interface. Where the of statement statement sorry statement interface. What is that? Interface. Statement interface of interface. That's it. So now execute query method. Execute query method return. What is that return? Execute query method. I have already told you. Execute method query method is return result set object. Execute query method return. What is the return? Result set. Result set object. What is that? Result set object. Okay. This object store. This object store the row. This object store the row. Store the row. Yeah, store the record. Store the record selected from a table. Selected from the table. That's it. What is the meaning of this point? Execute query method return the which objects? Result set object. Then it should create a result set object and store the getting data inside the result set object. So a result set, the point is a result set object maintain a cursor. What is that? Cursor and initially that cursor will position before the first row. Cursor initially the cursor will position before the first record, before the first row. Yeah, record first row. BFR called also BFR. That's it. So if you want to read the data, inside the table, so we need to call one method. One method is that if you want to read the data inside the table, so one method is required. What is the method? Next method. So next point related to this method. So to read the row, we need to move the cursor. We need to move the cursor. We need to move the cursor by calling which method? Next. Okay. Which method to call move the cursor? May I interview ask? Next method. Simple. What is that next method? Next method return. What is that? It's written boolean. Boolean means true and false only. Boolean value. If suppose if it's written true, if it returns true, so it means there is a row. it means, what is the means? So it means there is a row to read the data, and and if false then then there is no data, there is no more data, there is no more rows or data, whatever. This I will show you all these things. So, okay, this is the about the result set. In future, also in depth result set I will teach you in some other sessions. Okay. To read the data, so my point, to read the data, to read the data, to read the data, to read the data, to read the data from a row, we need to call, to read the data from row, we need to call get access method. Get access method. It means, what is the meaning of get access method? It means to read. It means to read integer. It means to read integer. It means to read integer. So you pass. So you pass. What is that? So you pass get int. What is that method? Get int method is there. It's a predefined method for suppose for string. Suppose for string. For string, you want to get a from the string. So we have to call, what is that? What you have to call get string method. Get string. And n number of methods are there. Okay. So in example point of view, so results are support. Result set. No, first I want to write. Suppose statement dot execute query method. Select star. This is the keyword star from student. So now this method is returning some records. Now, if your records existed, is also returning. If he is not return, if your result is also not there, then it's also some returning some metadata or data is returning. So I want to store result set rs. I want to store simple. Store the data inside this, then it's returning object. Okay, it store inside the rows. If you want to read the data from the result set, so while until the true, until the false, next rs dot next, I want execute this method until it's not getting false statement, until it's not getting false statement. So I want to read now. So SOPs. So here is the SOPs. What is the rs dot get? First is our int type na SID. So plus rs dot get string. Second is the name. Name is type, string type. Now that's it. And next one is rs dot get string. Also is the string type. Address is the string. That's it. We will get the data and print it one by one until it's not false. Okay. This is the snippet. This is the snippet code to getting the data from the database. Okay. So result set are two types. What is that? What is that? In JDBC, now point is in JDBC, Java database connected, we have two type of result set object. Result set object. First is the, what is the first? First one is non-scrollable, non-scrollable or forward. Also we call forward. Forward only. And second one is the scrollable object. Okay, these two types of objects are there inside, sorry, these two types of result set are there inside the JDBC connection. So that's all for the today, yeah. Next session in depth, and tomorrow I will show you how to install, how to download all these things, which ID I will use, which version. These point I show first. I will show you these points by using type4 driver. Okay, how to jar file, how to get jar file, how to using set jar file, all these things I will teach tomorrow or next session. 8th session. When I launch 8th session, you will get it all this thing. So thank you for watching. If you want to watch my videos, our last video, so search YouTube. And notes also I will tell you where I upload the notes. Don't worry. This is the YouTube. So search here. iTrick, ITRIK. Study, STUD by far. Study iTrick far. Simple. You will get suggestion or not suggestion, then search it. This is the channel iTrick Study Bar. 30 videos are available right now. More than. This is our first. This is the 7th video. This is our first course to launch in this channel. This is our first course, Advanced Java. And I am planning to launch one more course. When I will get more like information about the, like, it's really student interested to learn free, then I will upload Hibernate courses. Spring Boot also, Spring MVC, AWS, Git, Maven, all these things. But I have mentioned here in the banner, all these courses are introduced in this channel or free of cost. Okay. So this is the channel. Okay. If you want to watch the video, go and watch the video. And yeah, this is our channel. This is the video. You can go and watch it. And this here, this is the links. And this is our Telegram link. Yeah, here, click here. You will get one Telegram. Sorry, it's not opening. Yeah, I don't want to open. This is the channel, iTrick Java by ITSP. Okay, in give a view and channel. Okay, join this channel. Please join this channel for the videos and notes, all these things I have uploaded here. And this is our official channel, iTrick Study Bar. This is our study bar. This is our official channel. So go and subscribe the channel, join with the channel, so you will get more information about the new batches and all these things. Okay. So thank you for joining me. Thank you. So now, bye bye, and we will meet next session.